Hello friends, today we are discussing the problems in concave mirror. So in this video I will be saying a simple method how to solve any problem in case of a concave mirror. Now let me see your first question. An object is kept at a distance of 20 centimeters in front of a concave mirror. The focal length of the mirror is 30 centimeters. Then what is image distance and what is magnification? So in this concave mirror problem we have to find the image distance and its magnification. So first observe what is the given data present in your problem. So just you see here, an object is kept at a distance of 20 centimeters. At a distance of 20 centimeters, that means it was given an object distance. Okay, so object distance is denoted with a letter U. So U equals to minus 20. In concave mirror, according to sign convention rule, object distance focal length will be taken as a negative sign. So U equals to minus 20 and focal length of the mirror is 30 centimeters. So now you got F equals to minus 30 centimeters. So we have to find what is image distance. So image distance we have to find, magnification M we have to find. So now here you can see, so object distance 20 centimeters, focal length 30 centimeters. Before solving this problem, according to concave mirror ray diagram, we have to identify where an object is placed and where an image should be obtained. So here you have your concave mirror P, F, C. So in a problem the focal length is given as 30. So its center of curvature will be 60 and object distance U equals to 20 centimeters. So 20 will be coming before focal length. Before 30 only 20 will be present. So object is placed between P and F. When object is placed between P and F, an image should be obtained beyond the mirror. That means your image distance value should get a positive value, and this is a virtual erector, so you have to get positive, and it is an enlarged image, so your magnification should get greater than 1. Now let me take your mirror formula. So the mirror formula 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Now substitute U and F in the mirror formula. Here F equals to minus 30, U equals to minus 20. That means 1 by minus 30 equals to 1 by minus 20 plus 1 by V. So as it is substitution, simple method. Now next step, this 1 by minus 20 you have to shift towards the left side. Once you shift this one towards the left side, it will become as a positive. That means 1 by 20 minus 1 by 30 equals to 1 by V. How we got this step? This 1 by minus 20 we shifted towards the left side, so it became as a positive. As it is, we wrote minus 1 by 30. 1 by minus 30 or minus 1 by 30, both are same, is equals to 1 by V. So now you have to do your LCM 20 and 30. So I will be using a simple technique to do LCM. So denominator should be multiplied and numerator should be cross multiplied. That is, at the denominator 20 into 30, numerator 30 minus 20 is equals to 1 by V. So 30 minus 20 equals to 10, and that is 10 by 20 into 30 is equals to 1 by V. So 10 ones are 10 twos are 20. So 1 by 2 into 30 equals to 1 by 60. So V equals to 60 centimeters. So we got a V value as a positive because it is formed above the principal axis. Now magnification. The formula for magnification, M equals to minus V by U. So what is your V value? V equals to 60 here you have to keep. And what about the U? Minus 20. So M equals to minus 60 by minus 20. Minus minus get cancelled. 21s are 23s are. So your M equals to 3 centimeters. So magnification is greater than 1. It represents enlarged image. Magnification plus represents it is a virtual and erect. So this is your problem. Second problem, an object of height 5 centimeters is placed at 30 centimeters distance on the principal axis in front of a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeters. Find the image distance and size of the image. So in this problem you can observe an object of height 5 centimeters. That means object height was given as 5 centimeters. So object height represented with H0 or HO. HO represents object height is 5 centimeters. Is placed at 30 centimeters distance on the principal axis in front of a concave mirror. 30 centimeters distance. So this 30 centimeters distance is nothing but your object distance. So u equals to minus 30 centimeters. As already I said in your first problem, object distance and focal length will be minus for concave mirror. So equals to minus 30 and focal length equals to 20 centimeters. So you got f equals to 20 centimeters. Find the image distance and size. So image distance, that is v equals to how much? Next height of the image, that is hi equals to how much? Image height we have to find, image distance we have to find. By using this u and f we can locate where an object is placed in concave mirror. So here you can see this is your concave mirror. P, F and C. Focal length is given as 20 centimeters. That means F equals to 20. Then C will be 40. U is 30. 30 will be present between 20 and 40. That means after 20 and before 40. So object is placed between F and C. So your image will be obtained beyond C. That means your V value should be greater than center of curvature. That means it should be greater than 40. It is real inverted, so it should be minus. And what about the image size? It should be enlarged. It should be greater than 5 centimeters and it should be minus. And the V value should be greater than 40 and it should be minus. Now let me take your mirror formula. So your mirror formula 1 by F is equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Now your first step. Now substitute F equals to minus 20 and U equals to minus 30. So that means 1 by minus 20 equals to 1 by minus 30 plus 1 by V. How we got F equals to minus 20 and U equals to minus 30. Now what we have to do, this 1 by minus 30 you have to shift towards the left side. Once we shift towards the left side, this will become as a positive. 1 by 30 minus 1 by 20 is equals to 1 by V. Now we got. Now what we have to do, how we got this one? This 1 by minus 30 shifted left side, so it become as a positive. Now you have to do an LCM for 30 and 20. So already I said a simple method. So how to do? Denominator should be multiplied. That is 30 into 20. 20 minus 30. So 30 into 20, here 20 minus 30 is equals to 1 by V. So 20 minus 30 is equals to minus 10. Okay. So minus 10 by 30 into 20 is equals to 1 by V. So here 10 ones are 10, 2s are 20. 10 ones are 10, 2s are 20. Or 10 ones are 10, 3s are 30. So here if you 10 ones are 10 3s are, then 3 into 20 it will become as a 60. That is minus 1 by 60 is equals to 1 by V. So then V equals to minus 60 centimeters. So I already said your image should be after center of curvature. So it should be greater than C. So we got greater than C, that is greater than 40, and it should be minus. Okay, now we have to find the magnification. The formula for magnification, m equals to hi by h0 is equals to minus v by u. So we want image height So we can modify hi equals to minus v by u into h naught. So your minus v is nothing but minus 60, and what about u? U equals to minus 30 and h naught is equals to 5. So here you can see, so minus v means minus 60, u means minus 30 and h naught means 5. So now what we can do, 5 ones are 5 6 are 6 ones are 6 tens are, and minus also will be get cancelled. Here you can see, so minus into minus it will become plus, 60 by minus 30 into 5 ones are 5 6 are 6 ones are 6 tens are. So you got hi equals to minus 10 centimeters. So your minus represents it is real inverted, and 10 centimeters is nothing but enlarged image. Your object height is 5 centimeters and image height is 10 centimeters. So your problem is correct. The third question, find the size, nature and position of image formed when an object of size 1 centimeter is placed at a distance of 15 centimeters from a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeters. Here also we have to find the nature, position and size of the image for a concave mirror. First, here you can observe when an object of size 1 centimeter, the size of an object is 1 centimeter, that represents h naught. Okay, so h naught is an object size, it is 1 centimeter, is placed at a distance of 15 centimeters, that is u equals to 15 centimeters, and focal length is given as a minus 10 centimeters. So we have to find v and hi. So as we know, for concave mirror u and f will be minus due to sign convention rules. That means according to sign convention rule, u value and f value will be minus. So before solving this problem, first you have to draw the rough diagram, concave mirror, and locate the position of object and expected image. So this is your concave mirror PFC. So f equals to 10 centimeters. Then center of curvature will be 20 and u is 15. The 15 will be coming after 10 before 20. That means object is placed between f and c. So image should be obtained beyond c. That means your v value should be greater than 20 and it should be minus. And what about your image height? Image height is greater than object height. So it should be greater than 1 and it should be minus. So now take your mirror formula. So 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So your f is nothing but 10 centimeters and u is nothing but 15 centimeters. Now substitute here. So 1 by minus 10 equals to 1 by minus 15 plus 1 by v. How we got this one? So where f is nothing but minus 10. So 1 by minus 10 is equals to u is nothing but minus 15. So 1 by minus 15 plus 1 by v. Now what we have to do? This 1 by minus 15 shift towards the left side. Once we shift towards the left side, it will become as a positive. So 1 by 15 minus 1 by 10 is equals to 1 by v. So here 1 by minus 15, once it comes left side, it is plus. So here as it is we wrote minus 1 by 10 is equals to 1 by v. Now you have to do the LCM. How to do the LCM? 15 into 10, 10 minus 15. Okay, so 15 into 10, 10 minus 15. So 10 minus 15 is nothing but minus 5. So minus 5 by 15 into 10 is equals to 1 by v. So 5 ones are 5 threes are 15. Okay, 5 ones are 5 threes are. So 3 into 10, 30. So minus 1 by 30 equals to 1 by v. So v equals to minus 30 centimeters. Now you see, check whether you got the v value is correct or not. First you need to get minus it because it is inverted image, and 30 centimeters means here you see it should be obtained after c. So it is greater than 20. So your v value is correct image distance. Now what about the magnification? The formula for magnification, m equals to hi by h naught is equals to minus v by u. So here you can take hi equals to minus v by u into h naught. So what is your v value? V equals to minus 30. What about u value? U equals to minus 15. And what about h naught? H naught equals to 1 centimeter. Okay. So here you see hi equals to minus, v means minus 30, u means minus 15 into 1. So here minus into minus plus, that is plus 30 by minus 15 into 1. So hi equals to 30 by minus 15 into 1 means 1 itself only, that is 30 into 1 means 30 only. So 30 by minus 15, 15 ones are 15 twos are. So that means hi equals to minus 2 centimeters. So your object height is 1 centimeter and image height should be greater than it. So you got the 2. It is a right, it is a minus because of inverted image. Okay, this is your third problem.